Let's talk about the recently launched Realme smartphone Realme 11 Pro 5G with premium vegan leather design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved vision display, with 6.7-inch Full HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and with 20:9 aspect ratio. With approximately 93.65% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, with HDR10 Plus support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 100 megapixel OIS Pro Light main wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle camera will also be located in punch hole. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 4.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex A78, plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB extended dynamic RAM, and 128GB, or 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 12GB extended dynamic RAM, and 256GB, or 512GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.6 by 73.9 by 8.2 mm and it weights around 191 grams, and the color options: sunrise beige, oasis green, astral black, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with SuperVOOC 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC market or region dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 11 Pro 5G has been expected price in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 69,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 71,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 77,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 82,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 11 Pro 5G smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.